Ta-da! Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. My name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel. If you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can always get notified whenever I post a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so méjèèjì mo máa sọ papọ̀ ní ibi báyìí. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. My name is Arewa. As you all know, I welcome you to Social Media Cut with moi. Don't forget to follow our two other channels, History with Arewa and Intimacy with Arewa. Also, for any advert support or donation or for any other discussion whatsoever, don't hesitate to contact me. My contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it lying around in the comment section area. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. Now, before we go on, for those of us that want to buy the STC 30, I dropped the link and the phone number down below, in some comment section, and don't hesitate to actually click on the link or call them directly. Just tell them you are from SMC so that one bá lè fún yín ní discount. Mo dẹ̀ fi ọwọ́ sọ̀yà ẹ̀ fún yín wípé tẹ́ ẹ bá lò, if you take it and it didn't work, tẹ́ ẹ lò and it didn't work for what you are taking it for. Meanwhile, if you want to buy it, kindly let them know what exactly you want to use it for, so they can tell you how you go about, the dosage and the rest of it, so you can see the results that we want. Tẹ́ ẹ lò, mo ṣe ní kẹ́ ẹ lò, tí ò bá ṣiṣẹ́, tí ò bá jẹ́, ẹ padà kẹ́ wá sọ fún mi. Come back and tell me. Ó dá mi lójú, mi ò ní polówó, mi ò ní gbé nǹkan tí mi ò believe nínú ẹ̀ wá. Tẹ́ ẹ lò tí ò ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe, ẹ padà kẹ́ wá bá mi, kẹ́ wá sọ fún mi. Ibi tó dá mi lójú dé nìyẹn. So thank you so much once again. Thank you. If you are new, welcome. I hope you stay. For the returning fans, thank you for stopping by once again. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ jẹ́ kí a tẹ̀síwájú. Let's move on. Now, on to this episode of SMC. Governor Sanwo-Olu, how is you, sir? Oh girl, I did not even know that we have this plenty policemen or soldiers or armed forces in Nigeria. You be in Lagos, Lagos. Seasonal police officer or seasonal soldiers. Look at how good looking, well dressed that it is. Can you, I did not even know we have them plenty like this. You could deploy all them out. All of them could come out. Seasonal police officers or seasonal armed forces could come out because of peaceful protesters. Can you imagine that? To the extent of arresting them. And they had to be bailing. Maybe they say bail is free. They have to be bailing themselves with 100,000 naira in a country that said bail is free. I said it yesterday. Nigeria is not a country that has law. It's a lawless country with a very flexible law. With a very flexible laws. Irrespective of the fact that I wasn't really, keen about the protest to be on the Lekki toll gate. However, they have no right to arrest peaceful people. You just arresting people that did nothing other than they are standing and be talking. Ó ṣe ni láàánú fún wa. Ó ṣe ni láàánú fún wa. Ọ̀gá Sanwó-Olú. Abẹ́ máa rí ìyẹn Governor Sanwó-Olú. Nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Lẹ́kí, abẹ́ rí Governor Sanwó-Olú. Òun kò tí ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé òun rí pé nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Lẹ́kí. He just flexing around. Bàbá kan ra bọ̀ọ̀lì jẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títí tó ń relate pẹ̀lú àwọn Lagosian. Kò tí ẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá nǹkan kan happen ní Lẹ́kí. Kò tí ẹ̀ ràn, kò tí ẹ̀ kí ẹ̀, kò tí ẹ̀ kàn. Ó kàn ra bọ̀ọ̀lì jẹ tí ẹnu ń flexing. Kò ràn yín. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ wá ni. Mo ti sọ síwájú. Ká ní pé a ti lọ gbé protest yẹn ká mọ́nu ilé ẹ̀ lẹ́nu gate ẹ̀. Kò ní ráyè jáde débi kó fẹ́ máa ráyè lọ máa ra bọ̀ọ̀lì kan. Àbí káwọn kan wà lẹ́nu gate ẹ̀ ká wà ń bẹ̀. Bó ṣe wá fẹ́ gba jáde lẹ́nu gate á wá sọ fún wa. Àbí ká lọ ka mọ́ ọ́fíìsì ló wà. Káwọn kan wà bẹ̀ káwọn lé wa bí báyìí. Kò ní rí bí bọ́ọ̀ta débi kó fẹ́ lọ máa ra bọ̀ọ̀lì jẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì. Àbẹ́ rí báyìí kò tí ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé bóyá nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ Lẹ́kí. Kò tí ẹ̀ kan. Tó bá máa dà láyé sápọ́ta pé òun mọ àwọn sójà tó wà Lẹ́kí. Òun mọ àwọn tó arrest àwọn èèyàn. I don't have any. Maybe it's order from above. I'm not aware. Nǹkan tó máa sọ fún yín lọ́la nìyẹn. bàbá kan ló ń ra bọ̀ọ̀lì jẹ ni bọ̀ọ̀lì tó máa ṣèṣàpá lórí last kò tí ẹ̀ rán yín ó flexing I don't care and ó lè ní òun ká news ó he closed all the comment section on you know on his official Instagram. He closed the comment section. He just flexing, buying bolly, eating. If you had gone and mounted his gate in his house, he would not have even have time to come and not talk of going to be buying bolly. Kalo ge kamole, kalo gbogun kamole. Oba ko baje. Oga Sanwo-Olu, shame on you. Shame on you. Although òun gan ti mọ̀ pé òun ò lè lọ second time. Òun ló ṣe ń ṣe bó ṣe ń hùn. Òun ló ṣe máa tètè pé kán open bẹ̀yẹn so that kó ba lè tètè pọ̀wó ètò bá rèrè pa. Ó ti mọ̀ pé òun lè second time. Shame on you, Sanwo-Olu. Àti ní governor mi ò rò pé ó wọ̀sì tó Sanwo-Olu yìí. Ambode dẹ̀ kúkú sọ náà tẹ́lẹ̀ o. But èwo ló sàn ní gbogbo wọn. Same náà gbogbo yín. Shame on you. Má worry. A máa rán Ṣàngó sí ẹ. Má worry. Ṣàngó ń bọ̀. Wọ́n á visit ẹ. A máa rógùn sí ẹ. Fún eléyìí tó ṣe yìí. Ẹ ti ṣe kíni ẹjùkò mọ́ra yín lórí. Bail is free. One bail around 100,000 naira and you said bail is free. Imagine in a country that say bail is free but they are bailing peaceful protesters so tó kò sí any weapon lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ arrest wọn ẹ ṣe kíni ẹ gba bail 100,000 lọ́wọ́ wọn. Sanwo-Olu, shame on you. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ wá ni. Oraye bọ́ta olóra bọ̀lì jẹ́. Kánà ti gbé ká ẹ mọ́lé. Kó wà nú ilé. Bóyá helicopter ló fẹ́ wá land sí compound ẹ fẹ́ gbé ẹ bọ́ta. Àjọ máa ríra wa. Shebi we say we have IT students, computer literates. Bẹ́ẹ̀ open. Ṣé wọn ò ní hack ẹ̀ down? Kán kọ́kọ́ close gbogbo software ilé ẹ. Anyway, it is well. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbogbo rògbòdìyàn that has been happening in Ibadan. Ibadan, you know, people have, you know, got up to fight for themselves against the Hausas. Now, I saw many videos, so I saw many videos. The one I even saw that was even kind of somehow to me, you know, people, I mean, Yoruba people were actually packing their bags to be running. And I'm saying in Lokomi, Painbo Lensalo, where are you running to? You mean Hausa is chasing you from your house, in your land, Lori Lane? Like, where are you people running to? Ẹ ń sá kúrò nílé fún Hausa. Ẹ ń kó ẹrù yín kúrò nílé, ẹ ń sá kúrò nílé yín nítorí Hausa. Ẹ má jẹ́ n sọ díẹ̀, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ jù because n bá sọ bó ṣe wà lọ́kàn mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ já tẹ̀síwájú. An incident happened in Oyo State where Amotekun operatives was arrested in place of Fulani herdsmen because they arrested the Fulani herdsmen. Now, what they say happened was very simple. Maybe I should read. Let me read it. Now, it was said, let me read it out. We arrest Amotekun corps because of Miyetti Allah. Oyo police said it. The police authorities in Oyo State on Saturday confirmed the arrest of 3 operatives of the Oyo State Security Network, codenamed Amotekun. Police Public Relations Officer Oyo Command Olusegun Fadeyi said the police only responded to a report from the Secretary of Miyetti Allah, K2 Breeders Association, on an alleged plot by the Amotekun operatives to burn down the Ga Fulani in Orile Igbon. Fadeyi said the team of officers was sent to the scene to arrest the Amotekun operatives and bring them to the station. Fadeyi said it was a report from the Secretary of Miyetti Allah at Orile Igbon Police Station, Ogbomoso, that some Amotekun operatives planned to set ablaze the Fulani, you know, settlement in there. A team of policemen was sent to the scene and brought them to the station. Not too long, Amotekun corps, numbering about 30, invaded the station and conducted themselves in an unruly and righteous manner. 3 of them were arrested. Fadeyi, who said the area commander Ogbomoso is handling the matter, however, failed to speak on the alleged shooting of the Amotekun operatives by the police. Meanwhile, farmers in Ogbomoso land had reported a case of farm destruction carried out by some Fulani herdsmen to the Amotekun corps, who went to investigate and found the herdsmen, you know, culpable. But the police went to rescue the Fulani herdsmen and then arrested Amotekun corps on the destruction of Miyetti Allah. Ẹgbọ́n yẹn dáadáa. Now, another one again, that we gbọ́ ni pé the divisional police officer at Igbon police station in Surulere local government area for your state, Adedeji Adepoju, has allegedly shot and injured a member of the Oyo State Security Network agency known as Amotekun on Friday. According to the sources, the DPO had ordered the arrest of 2 Amotekun corps for arresting 8 men whose cattle were grazing on a farm in Gambari for destroying crops. The aggravated farmer, whose farm was plundered by the cattle, was said to have reported the case to Amotekun corps in the area, and the 8 men were arrested. However, some of the 8 men were said to have reported the case to the DPO, who ordered the arrest of 2 Amotekun operatives. Ordered the arrest of the 2 Amotekun operatives in Yejenyo and Olatunji Mayowa, who were investigating the matter. It was gathered that the DPO said that the Amotekun was not set up to arrest 8 men, but to go after armed robbers. Ebam the point in Yemu. Araoye Amo, the unit commander of Amotekun in the area, was said to have visited the police station with his men to secure the release of the 2 officers. He was discussing with the station guard when the DPO stormed out of his office and reportedly collected a gun from the policeman and shot one of the Amotekun in the leg. Imagine. Now, the unit commander said one of the Amotekun corps who escaped from the scene was pursued and disarmed. Araoye said the police checked and discovered that the gun, which was forcefully collected from the Amotekun, was not even loaded. Another point, the Amotekun commander in Oyo State, Colonel Olayinka Olayonju, retired, confirmed the incident to the correspondent, adding that the injured Amotekun officer has been taken to the Lautech Teaching Hospital in Ogbomoso. Now, the police public relation officer in Oyo State, Olubenga Fadeyi, later said in a statement that the Fulani reported that some Amotekun operatives wanted to set their settlement on fire, and some policemen were deployed there and brought the Amotekun men to the station. However, he was silent on the shooting of the Amotekun operatives. Now, look at what we have done to ourselves, Yoruba. DPO, police DPO, Mr. Adedeji Adepoju, shot oyin ìbọn fún Amotekun operatives. Ìyẹn Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀. Yorùbá yìnbọn fún Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ nítorí Fulani 8 men. Mr. DPO Adedeji Adepoju also said confirmedly that Amotekun was not set up because of 8 men, that it was set up because of armed robbers. Imagine that statement. Now, wọ́n wá gba ìbọn lọ́wọ́ Amotekun, kò wá sí ọta kankan nínú ìbọn Amotekun. Amotekun gbé ìbọn kiri tí kò sí ọta nínú ẹ̀. Wọ́n yìnbọn, ìbọn wọ ara Amotekun. Amotekun go tún ní oògùn kankan, náyẹta, ní àjẹsára kankan. Ìbọn wọlé sí kánibòròrò náà ló ní ìbọn yẹn náà, bí màá ní ẹ ṣe máa bó ṣe wọlé náà nìyẹn. So Amotekun go ní ọta nínú ìbọn wọn. Ta ló ṣe Yorùbá báyìí náà? Ta ló kò tẹ́ yé mi, báwo ni ti Yorùbá ṣe wá rí báyìí náà? Kí Yorùbá máa yìnbọn fún Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ nítorí bòròrò, nítorí Fulani, Miyetti Allah command wọn. Now, Shafe sọ pé bóyá inferiority complex tó ń worry àwọn ọlọ́pàá because lẹ́yìn ìgbà tán ti gbé Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn dé, bóyá wọ́n feel pé wọ́n ti wà, wọn relevant mọ́. Ṣé a máa sọ pé bóyá jealousy yẹn náà òun ló jẹ́ kí ọlọ́pàá Yorùbá máa ṣe yẹn ni torí gbogbo alamọ̀ nǹkan tí Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn wà fún. Àbí kí ló okay ìyẹn DPO yẹn nísìnyí ó wà in support of the Fulani from the Miyetti Allah. Ìyẹn ló ń pàṣẹ fún Yorùbá. Ẹ máa wo nǹkan tí Yorùbá ń ṣe fún ara wọn, ṣé nítorí owó àbí nítorí kíni? Ta ló ṣépè fún ran Yorùbá? Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn náà níbọn lára, lọ́ta nínú ìbọn yín, lájẹsára kankan, kò sí òkúgbẹ́, kò sí kankan lára yín. Adé ń ṣe Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Kò yé mi mo bèrè ní o. Níbo ni àwọn Ẹgbẹ́kọ̀yà? Níbo lẹ wà? Níbo lẹ OPC wà nítorí Ọlọ́run? Where are the OPCs? Like, are you people waiting for a formal letter before you know before you get up? Are you waiting for a formal letter, or you want us to call you or beg you out? Agbekoya, where are you people? The other day, you people came out and started saying we are this, we are that. Where are you people? You are all silent. Kò yé mi mo bèrè ni o. Is this how we want to continue? Àwọn Ìbàdàn sá kúrò nílé wọn nítorí Haúsá. Tí ò tó 1/10 tí wọn, 1,000 tí wọn. Àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn gbé báàgì wọn sá kúrò nílé nítorí Haúsá. Tí ò tó jẹ́ pé ẹ máa ra àwọn ìrandíran wọn. Ẹ wá ń sá kúrò nílé fún wọn. Níbo lẹ ń sá lọ? Àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn tí wọ́n sá kúrò ní tí wọ́n sá lọ s'Abẹ́òkúta àbí wọ́n sá lọ s'Èkó, wọ́n sá kúrò ní ilé wọn nítorí Haúsá. Lórí ilé wọn, lórí ilẹ̀ wọn, nínú ìlú wọn. Ǹjẹ́ Yorùbá lè lọ sun mọ́tò àwọn esbal tó wà north? Ṣó possible ṣá? Àmọ̀tákùn náà arrest ẹni náà lórí oko. Ẹ wá mú lọ sí police station tó yẹ kẹ́ gbá nǹkan mọ́ orí ẹ̀, kẹ́ ṣe kíni, kẹ́ wúlẹ̀, kẹ́ bò mọ́lẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ bí yín. Kò sí ẹni tó fẹ́ bí yín. Ẹ wá arrest, ẹ wá ń fà lọ́wọ́, ẹ wá ń gbé lọ police station. Imagine yẹn. Níbọn lọ́wọ́, lọ́tánú bọ yín. Lógùn lára, láyẹta, ní òkú, ní nothing lára. Pòròfó lẹ́wà. Adẹ̀ ń ṣàmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Ibi tí Yorùbá fẹ́ gbé ọwọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gbà kò yé mi o. Wàláì kò fìbí kankan yé mi. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a padà sílé. Ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ ní ìsìn. Eléyìí, ikú ìyàjọ kú, àwẹ̀lé àjọ gbà ni. This is not a one man fight. This is a collective, all hands on deck. Ẹ jẹ́ padà sílé, ẹ jẹ́ lọ pé gbogbo àwọn alálẹ̀ wa. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ pa àwọn, let's go back and call our ancestors. Let's go and call Ogun, let's go and call Shango, let's go and call all of them. We need them now to help us in this matter that is going on. Ṣùgbọ́n ká tó ṣe yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa, ṣá ti ready ṣá? Ṣé Yorùbá ti ready? Àwọn ọmọ àlè àárín wa ńkọ́? Ṣé wọn ní máa gba gbogbo effort wa jẹ́ torí Yorùbá la máa ń dáṣà pé bí kú ló bá pa ni tòde ò lè rí nípa. Ṣé kò yẹ ká kọ́kọ́ find out àwọn wèrè ara wa náà? Torí tá bá ṣe yẹn náà, tá bá ní ká máa gbé ìgbésẹ̀ náà, àwọn tó máa bá ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn náà jẹ́ máa wọ àbẹ́ tó jẹ́ ara wa náà ni o. Ẹ lè wá sọ pé nítorí owó náà ṣe ń ṣe wọ́n fún wọn lówó ni. Ṣó yẹ kí Yorùbá gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kan láti ṣe ìjàmbá fún Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀? Ẹ jẹ́ bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Àwa gan ni ìṣòro. Àwa ìgógó ni ìṣòro. Ẹ jẹ́ bára wa sọ̀rọ̀. Àwa ni ìṣòro. Let's say the truth. Táwùsá bá pa èèyàn kan, ẹ pa méjì wọn. Haúsá pa èèyàn méjì ní Ìbàdàn. Mélòó lẹ ti pa nínú Haúsá ní Ìbàdàn? None. Nítorí èmi ò tí rí. Bóyá wọ́n ti pa o, but èmi ò rí. Mi ò dẹ̀ tí rí kàlẹ́ níwẹ̀ náà pé àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n rí àwọn Haúsá yẹn kan pa. A kò rí pé wọ́n lé wọn ni ní gbogbo fídíò tó surface. Bóyá wọ́n wá ti rí wọn pa bí wọ́n rí wọn pa mi ò mọ̀. Wọ́n ní wọ́n pa olóyún, Haúsá pa olóyún àti ọkùnrin kan. Wọ́n pa méjì. Lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ló yẹ kẹ́ ti mú bí márùn-ún wọn kẹ́ pa wọn lójú ẹsẹ̀ níbẹ̀. Lójú ẹsẹ̀ níbẹ̀ ló yẹ kẹ́ ti mú wọn. Wọ́n pa méjì, ó yẹ kẹ́ pa 10. Ó yẹ kẹ́ pa 50 gan kẹ́ fi kọ́ wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ níbẹ̀ ni tẹ́ni jẹ́ kó tutù. Ibo lẹ́yìn OPC wà? Níbo lẹ́yìn Ẹgbẹ́kọ̀yà wà? Ká ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa bẹ̀yìn àbí ká kọ lẹ́tà sí yín, formal letter kẹ́yìn, ká kọ́ invite yín. Mo bèrè ní o. Àbí ká sunkún wá bá yín. Ẹ jẹ́ padà. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ dìde, ó ti dójú ẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ dìde. Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀yin náà lè lóró ti yín nínú because ẹ ti believe pé everybody abandon ìṣẹ̀ṣe nítorí ẹ̀sìn àjèjì tí gbogbo wa gbé sórí kiri. Ẹ fẹ́ máa dá sí because I can't acknowledge yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tá bá ti dé nation wa, a máa ṣe yẹn ní tùbínùbí, a settle yẹn later. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ máa bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe lé, ẹ dìde. Ẹ jẹ́ padà. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ pé Ṣàngó Olúkòso àyàrá iná. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ bá Ògún láká ayé ọ̀ṣì mọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ pé ṣù láàlú ògiri òkò ọ̀bẹ́lẹ́kún sunkún ẹlẹ́kún sunkún láàróyè sùn jẹ́. ẹ já lọ pé Ọ̀ṣun ṣẹ̀ǹgẹ̀ṣẹ̀ olóyà yìí, ẹ já lọ pé Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná, ẹ dìde ẹ já lọ bá Ọbalúayé o, ẹ dìde ẹ já lọ bá Odùduwà, ẹ já lọ pọ̀rànmíyàn Akínílé Akínlóde, ẹ dìde ẹ já lọ bẹ Fálọ́wẹ̀ sí wọn sẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pé Ọbàtálá ọba táṣà ọba takuntakun lóde Ìrẹ̀njẹ́, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pọ̀ Ọ̀rúnmìlà bàbá Kúkúrú Òkè Ìgẹ̀tì, ẹ dìde sẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bá Ọ̀rànfẹ̀ onílé náà, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pè wọ́n ó dójú ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pé Ọya Orírì, ẹ dìde sẹ́ it is high time we call them. Ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bọ̀ wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pè wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wẹ̀ sí wọn sẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bá Ọláìlú, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bẹ́ṣù, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bá wọn, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ pè wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pe Ṣàngó sí wọn sẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ á lọ rán Ṣàngó sí wọn kókò máa strike wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wẹ̀ sí wọn sẹ́ ẹ dìde ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pe Odùduwà fúnra ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ lọ pọ̀ Ọbàtálá nídìí àṣẹ ẹ̀, níbo l'Ọ̀rànfẹ̀ wà, it is high time we call them, ó ti dójú ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ lọ bá àwọn ìyá wa tí bí ni mò ń sọ oyé yín, ẹ jẹ́ lọ bá wọn, ẹ jẹ́ lọ fẹjọ́ wọn sùn wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ kó ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ará bíi ẹ jẹ́ lọ ké bá wọn, they are our ancestors. Tá a bá ṣe wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ á bẹ̀ wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ á tù wọ́n, ẹ jẹ́ á pè wọ́n, I need wọn, let's go and call them, let's go and ask help from them, it is high time, let's go back home. Gbogbo àwọn òrìṣà wa ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bá Ọ̀ṣun sẹ́ obìnrin kan ṣoṣo nínú gbogbo irinwó irúnmọlẹ̀, òun nìkan ni obìnrin kan ṣoṣo tó jẹ́ irúnmọlẹ̀, gbogbo irúnmọlẹ̀ tó kù ọkùnrin ní gbogbo wọn wá, Ọ̀ṣun nìkan lóbìnrin nínú gbogbo 401 irúnmọlẹ̀, just one. Ẹ jẹ́ á lọ pé Ọ̀ṣun jáde sẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ á lọ bọ̀ṣun lọ́wẹ̀ sí wọn, ẹ jẹ́ kí Ọ̀rànfẹ̀ rán iná sí wọn, ẹ jẹ́ kí àrá máa sán pa gbogbo wọn ní lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, ẹ kọ̀ lọ fún wọn lórúkọ wọn, let's go back home. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ bẹ̀ṣù sí wọn, kéṣù ṣe wọn kó ṣe gbogbo ìdílé wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, ẹ jẹ́ lọ bá Ògún, it is high time we go back home. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún lo strategy yẹn náà wọlé, ẹ jẹ́ tún mú yẹn náà lò bóyá ó máa yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀. It is obvious wípé gbogbo àwọn people yóò ní conscience, ní ìjọba tó ní conscience, since àdẹ̀ ti ní ìjọba tó ní conscience yìí, ẹ jẹ́ lọ rán wọn sí wọn, ẹ jẹ́ tẹ kọ́kọ́ pé Ṣàngó lọ sọ́dọ̀ Sanwó-Olú náà kó visit ẹ̀, àtẹ̀sí mọ̀ pé tí bàbá Tinubu wọ́n ní ó sick, ó wà on the sick bed in a critical condition, ó dà pé France ló ń wà for the past 2-3 weeks nísìnyí ó sick kò sí Nàìjíríà, ẹ já lọ bá wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, ẹ já lọ ké tì wọ́n lọ́rùn, èyí tó bá mọ̀ ṣàṣà òṣàlẹ̀ yín lọ bọ́ kó rán sí wọn, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ló ṣàlẹ̀ nídìílé yín, it is high time. Eléyìí náà ẹ ṣe fún ìran Yorùbá, fún ìran yín ni. Nobody needs to come and beg anybody now to do what is right. Do your own, let me do my own, let us all hands on deck. It is high time. Ìyẹn tá bá ti mọ̀ pé a ti ready pé a ti fẹ́ nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí, let's go back home. A lè dá ṣe, àná ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí a lè ṣe, ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ a lè dá jẹ, a lè dá ṣe. We need their help. United Nations ò lè rí help fún wa láti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kú sí EndSARS dọ́là, we've not gotten justice from them, for them. Ta ló fẹ́ fi àwọn ẹjọ́ àwọn ìjọba wa sùn? Ta ló kùn ta fẹ́ fẹjọ́ wọn sùn? Ṣé United Nations ni wọ́n dá sí wa? Ṣáwọn ìlú tó kùn tó jẹ́ ìlú kàǹkà tó kùn wọ́n dá sí wa? Ta la fẹ́ lọ fẹjọ́ wọn torí pé wọ́n ti believe pé kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì ta fẹ́ lọ fẹjọ́ wọn sùn, òun ló ṣe ká wọn lára. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ fẹjọ́ wọn sùn àwọn bàbá ńlá wa, ẹ jẹ́ káwọn náà bá wọn dá sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ padà lọ́lé, ẹ tẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ lọ pé Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná náà kó kọ́kọ́ kó àìsàn sára gbogbo wọn, kí ìgbóná mú gbogbo wọn pa, kọ́ máa sùn kọ́ máa jí mọ́, kọ́kọ́ máa sùn níbi tán bá wà báyìí, kán sùn báyìí kán dẹ̀ lọ. It is high time we go back home. Let's try that angle too.
Good news. Good health is now affordable. End that medical condition right now with STC30. STC30 is the one weapon for all and any medical ailments. With STC30, result is guaranteed. I'm telling you, my sister, have you been spending money on infertility, fibroid, ulcer, asthma, diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer? Name it. STC30 got you covered. Within 10 days to 3 months of use, the result is guaranteed, except your village people and your case. So partake in our ongoing promotion. Call is 08067083010, 08067083010. Get 2 boxes of STC30 for 55,000 naira only today. Hit that button now, place your order. Gotcha.